Assalamualaikum. I'm Mohammad Yusuf, doing my masters in environmental engineering from US Picas Mute. My presentation topic is flocculation, and in this I will present two papers. One is review paper and one is research paper. Both papers are on leachate treatment. Content of my presentation is coagulation, flocculation process, coagulation agents, review paper, research paper on coagulation, flocculation. Coagulation, the process of destabilization of colloids by adding chemicals which causes to neutralize the negative charges is called coagulation. The chemicals which are used in coagulation process are called coagulants that are usually cationic salts like ferric chloride or aluminum sulfate. Charge neutralization causes destabilization of colloids. These positive charge ions neutralize the negative charges so that get destabilized. Through destabilization, colloids are aggregated in size. Flocculation. Flocculation is the process of agglomeration of destabilized particles into a large size. Particles are called floc, and these can be removed by sedimentation or flotation effectively. It is such a process which brings separate particles together into group of particles. Flocculation aids like organic polymers are used to enhance the settleability and filterability of floc particles. Now the flocculation process. Flocculation process is mainly divided into two types: perikinetic and orthokinetic. Perikinetic flocculation. It is the flocculation process in which Brownian motion of colloidal particles causes contact or collision of colloidal particles. This process is also known as microflocculation process. Orthokinetic flocculation. It is the flocculation process in which bulk fluid motion causes contacts or collision of colloidal particles. This process is also known as microflocculation. In this figure, collider in this figure particles are scattered and coagulation process is practiced here. The particles get neutralized and destabilized here, and size is increasing. After coagulation, flocculation is practiced in which these particles combine together and increase the size. After that, sedimentation process is practiced. Review paper. Treatment of landfill leachate by coagulation flocculation with ferric chloride process. Optimization using Box-Bacon design. In this paper, ferric chloride and aluminum sulfate are compared. In this in this two practices for the leachate treatment are done. In the first, leachate contained initial concentration of COD 41,000 mg per liter and required dose of ferric or aluminum were same 0.035 mole per liter. Both ferric chloride and alum were practiced, and in this ferric chloride removed high amount of organic compound 55% in comparison with alum 42% removal of organic compounds. And another practice was done in another practice. Initial concentration of COD and pH were 5690 mg per liter and pH was 4.8. Ferric chloride with dose 0.8 gram per liter removed 56% of COD. Aluminum sulfate with dose of 0.4 gram per liter removed 39% of COD. Both results were compared, and ferric chloride has given effective results than aluminum sulfate. So ferric chloride is effective than alum as a coagulant. Research paper. The treatment of leachate using Fenton and coagulation flocculation process. Treatment of landfill leachate using Fenton pyrolysis and coagulation pyrolysis. Leachate samples were collected from Oulide Fayet landfill site southwest of Algiers. In this research paper, we will discuss abstract, introduction, methods, and conclusion. Abstract. The aim of the research paper was to get effective method for the treatment of leachate. For this process purpose, leachate was taken from a municipal landfill site, Oulide Fayet landfill site, southwest of Algiers. Following four processes were studied. First is coagulation flocculation, second is Fenton oxidation, third is coagulation flocculation followed by Fenton oxidation, and fourth is Fenton oxidation followed by coagulation flocculation. Introduction. Landfill leachate discharge can cause severe environmental problems when the landfill leachate is spread through groundwater or mixed with surface water. It will pollute the soil and the groundwater. In coagulation process, coagulants are used to destabilize colloidal particles. After coagulation process, flocculation is usually practiced for the purpose to increase the size of particles into bulky flocks, which is helpful in settling. The objective of the research paper was to know optimum operational conditions for the methods and to investigate the appropriate combinations between the processes. Coagulation flocculation process, in which the ways to get optimum results were focused. Effect of coagulant dose on coagulation. Here you will see in the figure that the dose of the ferric chloride 1.2 has given the optimum results as compared to other doses. So for the optimum conditions, ferric chloride should be 1.2 gram per liter. Effects of initial pH on coagulation. As you see that in the figure, pH 6 has given the optimum results for the removal of COD as compared to the other pH values. Now the coagulation flocculation process. In this process, coagulation flocculation are practiced. Initial conditions for the process are COD 2465 mg per liter, dose of ferric chloride is 1.2 gram per liter, and pH is 6. So the coagulation flocculation process obtained 64% of COD removal. Through this process, leachate was treated and 64% of COD was removed. Now the Fenton oxidation. First we should know that what is Fenton oxidation. Fenton oxidation process is an oxidation process which is activated by ferric salts in the presence of H2O2, which generates radical species in solution. In the Fenton oxidation process, leachate contained COD 2465 mg per liter with H2O2 4 gram per liter, and molar ratio is 4 and pH 2.5. It removed 63.62% of COD. In this process, we can remove the 63.62% of the COD from the leachate. Now, combined treatment by coagulation flocculation followed by Fenton process. In this process, leachate was practiced first by coagulation flocculation process. In coagulation flocculation process, the initial conditions were COD 2465 mg per liter, ferric chloride dose 1.2 gram per liter, and pH 6. By coagulation process, COD was removed 64.18% and remained final concentration of COD 912 mg per liter. After coagulation flocculation process, Fenton process was practiced with initial conditions COD 912 mg per liter, H2O2 1.4 gram per liter, and molar ratio 4. COD was removed 80.33% by coagulation flocculation process combined with Fenton process. Combined treatment by Fenton process followed by coagulation flocculation. In this process, leachate was practiced first by Fenton process. For Fenton process, the initial leachate contained concentration of COD 2465 mg per liter and conditions were H2O to 4 gram per liter and molar ratio was 4 and pH 2.5. By Fenton process, COD was removed 63% and remained final concentrations of COD 961 mg per liter. After Fenton process, coagulation flocculation process was practiced with initial conditions COD 961 mg per liter, ferric chloride 1.2 gram per liter and pH 6. COD was removed 63% by Fenton process combined with the coagulation flocculation process. In this, you will see that there is no noticeable results. Now the conclusion for the four processes. In the first process, coagulation flocculation removed high amount of COD. For the leachate treatment, COD was removed 64% with the 1.2 gram per liter dosage of ferric chloride and pH was 6. In the second process, Fenton process removed maximum amount of COD. For the leachate treatment, COD was removed about 64.18% with initial conditions pH 2.5, H2O 2 4 gram per liter and molar ratio 4. And in the third process, the process in which coagulation flocculation process was practiced first and then followed by the Fenton process, removed COD of more than 80%. The process in which Fenton process was practiced first and then followed by coagulation flocculation has not produced any noticeable additional removal of COD. So from this conclusion, we have known that the coagulation flocculation process that is followed by Fenton process is more useful because it removes 80% of the COD. Thank you.